And I'm just excited to be here to gather all the information that I really needed to know about the DNP program. Apart from what I have already gathered online, but to also speak to someone that's in the program already and to share some more information and enlighten me on how I can strengthen myself as an applicant. It's a great experience so far. Marissa over there, she's provided a lot of information that I felt was very pertinent to what I needed to know about the program. So overall, I would give it a 10 out of 10 because I had a great experience. And not only was the experience great, it was just very personal and relatable because she understood coming from the other side, and that's also now in the program that she could give me like proper feedback on, you know, just my overall application, because I just had questions about like my application and like what I could do better. Barry University, because they have diverse for sure. Also their simulation lab. Dr. Lee, I looked online and I looked at her CV and I mean, beautiful. And so I just wanted to be a part of a program that's training new leaders that will now be providing care to, you know, our community. So that's part of the reason why I wanted to come here to Barry University.
I'm about to apply. As soon as I'm at home, I'm about to click on submit for my application because I'm trying to start the program for 2025 here at Barry because I feel like it's home. I hear it from the student. Marissa spoke very highly of the program and it showed that we're not going to be alone. The school is here to support me. It's just, I just feel like this is where I belong. Barry is where I belong. And when they have a next open house, I will recommend everybody to come in and take a look, and then they'll be able to have a one-on-one talk with students at the school. They'll want to know Barry is the place for them, and you'll feed them and help them through that journey.